Hi everyone, we are here to report Chapter 4, which is Network Protocols and Services. But first, what comes first in your mind when you hear network protocols? For sure, some of you will answer, network protocol is just a rule. It's either in software or hardware. Yes, it might be, but network protocol. Network protocol is a set of rules outlining how to connected devices communicate across a network to exchange information easily and safely. So, network protocol is a set of rules. So, meaning hindi lang iisa, it's either 2, 3, or 4 rules na susundin in exchanging information. Next is the type of network protocols. Network protocols has 4 types of network. So, here are the 4 types of network protocols. Communication protocols, security protocols, management protocols, and lastly, application protocols.
Communication protocols. This includes protocols like Transmission Control Protocol or TCP, Internet Protocol or IP, and User Datagram Protocol or UDP. They govern how data packets are transmitted and ensure reliable communication between devices. Sa madaling salita, ito ay nagpro-provide ng connection sa internet para makapag-browse, send email and video chat at iba pa. Security protocols. Protocols like Secure Sockets Layer or SSL, Transport Layer Security or TLS, and Internet Protocol Security or IPsec provide encryption and secure data transmission, protecting information from unauthorized access. Ito naman ay nagpapatibay or nag-encrypt ng data sa bawat user para ma-secure ang bawat data at para makaprotektahan din sa mga unauthorized access or hacker. Management protocols. Example include Simple Network Management Protocol or SNMP and Internet Control Message Protocol or ICMP. These protocols are used for managing and monitoring network devices, ensuring smooth and efficient network operation. Dito naman nakabase ang pag-monitor sa bawat device sa pamamagitan nito, mas maging efficient ito at maaari din mag-troubleshooting kapag may nakitang problema sa device. Application protocol. Protocols such as Hypertext Transfer Protocol or HTTP file Transfer Protocol or FTP, and Simple Mail Transfer Protocol or SMTP are used at the application layer to enable specific functions like web browsing, file transfer, and email communication. Ang protocol naman na ito ay nakabase pamamagitan ng function kapag kung paano sila mag-communicate sa network kagaya ng HTTP na ginagamit sa pag-browse ng website and SMPT naman ay sa pag-send ng email gamit sa sarili nitong server. How network works. Network protocols work by establish a set of rules and procedures for data exchange with a basic outline of the process.
Data encapsulation. When data is sent from one device to another, it is broken down into smaller packets. Each packet is encapsulated with protocol information including source and destination addresses, error checking data, and control information. Transmission. The encapsulated packets are transmitted across the network following the rules set by the network protocol. Protocols like TCP ensure that the data is transmitted reliably, while IP handles the routing of packets to the correct destination. Reception and encapsulation. When the packets reach their destination, the protocol strips away the encapsulation, reassembles the packets into the original data and passes it to the appropriate application. Error handling and retransmission. Protocols like TCP also manage error checking and retransmission of lost or corrupt packets, ensuring that data is accurately received. Understanding various network protocols. Several network protocols are crucial to the functioning of the Internet and other networks. TCP and IP, Transmission Protocol or Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. The foundational protocol suites of the Internet, TCP and IP, governs how data transmitted and routed across networks. HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol, used for transmitting web pages over the Internet. HTTP defines how messages are formatted and transmitted, and how web servers and browsers should respond to various commands.
FTP, File Transfer Protocol. FTP is used for transferring files between a client and server on a network. It provides a simple way to upload and download files but is less secure compared to newer protocols. Ito yung pwede tayong mag-send at receive ng file, mga video, gano'n. DNS, Domain Name System. DNS translates human readable domain names like www.example.com into IP addresses that computers use to identify each other on the network. It's essential for browsing the web. Yung DNS daw is pinapalitan niya yung domain name ng IP address para makilala yung isa't isa sa network. DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. DHCP automatically assigns IP addresses to device on a network, simplifying the management of IP addresses and ensuring that devices can communicate effectively. Dito si DHCP naman is pag mag-connect ka sa network, kusa ng magbibigay ng IP address sa'yo. Automatic na siya. Hindi tulad ng static na kailangan mong mag-set ng IP address sa device mo.